Hello friends, today we study one topic of conic section, that is circle. Basically, I already told you that there are four type of conic section, mainly uh, circle, parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. Today in this video series we study some concepts of circle. So basically, I already told you that the equation of conic section is ax square plus by square plus 2hxy plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This represents the equation of conic section. So how we say that this conic section represents circle? It's need to satisfy four conditions. So basically the first condition is delta is not equal to 0. I told you what is delta here. Second condition is h equal to 0 and the fourth condition is a equal to b and the third condition is a equal to v and the fourth condition is radius must be real number. Radius must be real. So if all these four conditions satisfy, then we say that this equation represents circle. Let's say we have one circle. Basically, circle is a locus of points that is equidistant from a fixed point. So let's say this is center. Center represents with let's say x1 comma y1, and let's say we say it's O, and there is one point P that we take that we take on the circle, and its coordinate is alpha comma beta. Let's say there is some variable point P on the circle whose coordinate is alpha comma beta, and the center is our center is x1 comma y1. So now if I need to calculate OP, then as we know that OP is the radius of the circle. So if I need to calculate OP, then we can simply use distance formula here. So what is OP? OP equal to under root of uh, alpha minus x1 का square plus beta minus y1 का square. It is OP. So OP का square is alpha minus x1 का square plus beta minus y1 का square equal to r square, because OP is simply the radius of the circle, and alpha comma beta is some variable point. So if we replace alpha comma beta is with some variable x comma y, then then the equation become x minus x1 का square plus y minus y1 का square, x1 comma y1 is center coordinate, equal to r square. So this represent this. What is this? This represents the equation of this circle. So if I open it and compare it with let's say if I open this equation and compare it with our this equation, basically the equation of conic, then what we got, basically if I open it, we got x square minus 2x x1 plus x1 का square plus y square minus 2y1y plus y square y1 का square equal to r square simply. So let's combine it in form of conic equation. X square plus y square minus 2x1x minus 2y1y plus x1 square plus y1 square minus r square is equal to 0. So what is a here? let's write what is ABC. A equal to 1, B equal to 1, C equal to x1 का स्क्वायर प्लस y1 का स्क्वायर माइनस r स्क्वायर, and G equal to -1 minus x1, and F equal to minus y1, and H equal to 0. This represents, so as we see, A equal to B, third condition satisfy, second condition satisfy, H equal to 0. Now for the first and fourth condition, if must be satisfied. So if firstly we say that what is the radius in term of C. Radius is equal to under root of x1 का स्क्वायर माइनस y1 का x1 का स्क्वायर प्लस y1 का स्क्वायर माइनस C. From here we calculate it, and and the radius must be real number. So x1 का स्क्वायर plus y1 का स्क्वायर minus C must be greater than 0. And what is x1? x1 is minus g. We can replace it with minus g, and y1 can be replaced with minus f. So firstly the center can be minus g comma minus f, because it is x1 comma y1, and x1 comma y1 is minus g comma minus f. So if we replace here x1 comma y1 with the g comma f, so it is g square plus f square minus c must be greater than 0 to say that the radius must be real number. Okay, and now I told you what is delta here. So delta is equal to, delta is a matrix which is A, B and C, and H, G, F, H, G and F. It is delta here. So now let's fill delta, our delta here. So it's 1 1 and x1 square plus x1 square plus y1 square minus r square. ABC, H is 0, G is minus x1, and F is minus y1. Similarly 0 minus x1 and minus y1. Now it is delta here. So if I need to calculate the delta here, so how we calculate it? We simply need I simply need it like you can simply calculate it by yourself. That is x1 square plus y1 square minus r square minus y1 square. If I open it with at this place at first, and the 0 is 0 and the second is 0, that is plus x1. Sorry, minus x1 का square. So these two cancels and we got minus r square. Delta is equal to, so it is not equal to 0. Delta is not equal to 0. So we say that this represents circle. If all these three conditions satisfy, basically x1 का square plus y1 का square minus c should be greater than 0, and that is radius must be real number. So if these all three conditions satisfy, then we say that this equation represents circle. Okay. Now how we say now if I given you one equation, then how you say that this equation represents circle or not? X square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y plus 7 equal to 0. If this equation is given to you, how you say that this equation represents circle? So you need to how you say that this equation represents circle? You have to check all the four conditions. Then the first condition is delta not be equal to 0. So firstly you have to calculate delta. So A, B, C, it is symmetric matrix. So firstly we have to write A, B, C, sorry, here. A equal to 1, B equal to 1, C equal to 7, G equal to 1, H equal to 0, F equal to minus 2. Okay, so let's fill it. H, G, F. H, G, F. So let's calculate the delta here. 3 minus 1. So it's 2. So delta is not equal to 0 because delta is equal to 2. So first condition satisfy. Now the second condition is A equal to B. So I already see that A is equal to 1 and B equal to 1. So second condition satisfy. Third condition is H equal to 0. Here we see that H equal to 0. So third condition also satisfied. Now the fourth condition is radius must be real number. So for radius must be real number, I can simply use the formula that I previously defined, that is g square plus f square minus c is greater than 0. So I simply use it. G square is 1 plus f square is 4 minus 7. So radius is minus root 3, which is not real number. So we say that this equation does not represent circle. This equation does not represent circle. And you can also say, like, you can also check it by simply clubbing x square plus 2x term and clubbing y square minus 4y term. Like x square plus 2x must be the square, so we have to plus 1 and the minus 1. Similarly, y square minus 4y must be square, so we do plus 4 and the minus 4 plus 7 equal to 0. So let's combine it. So x square plus 2x plus 1 is x plus 1 ka whole square minus 1 plus y minus 2 ka whole square minus 4 plus 7 equal to 0. Equal to 0. So let's say sometime you don't remember this formula g and g square plus f square minus c. So you have to know the how to calculate it. So x plus 1 ka whole square plus y minus 2 ka whole square plus 3 equal to 0. So here we see that it is r square equal to r square. So r is minus root 3. So r is not real number. So we say that this equation is not circle. Okay. Now if in the later videos we learn more about circle. Basically in the later videos I told you what is the length, how we calculate the length of the tangent, what is condition of tangency, and more concepts of the circle in the later videos. Thank you all.